everyone, it's Kelly from Kelly Lee Creates, and today I have a tutorial for you on how to make a wrap for a glass can in Silhouette Studio. So these wraps are really popular right now. I see them all over Etsy, and so I decided to make one with one of my own SVG files, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it together. So today I'm using my Live Happy SVG file from my Boho Rainbow bundle, and I'll leave a link to that bundle in the description below if you want to pick up this file. So this is the actual file that I started with. And when you open this file up, you will see that it's grouped. The text is separate, and then with the rainbow and the hearts, the dark orange is separate from the light pink. So what you need to do is just copy and paste this whole design over onto first what you have to do is set up this box for the glass can wrap. And this box right here, it's 10 inches wide and 4 inches high. So then you're going to open the Live Happy file, and it comes in, it's about a 12 by 12. So you're going to have to size it down to fit on the glass can wrap, and all you do to size it down is select everything and take this corner and drag it like so. So open it up and size it down to fit onto the glass can wrap. And then all I did was I copied and pasted the rainbow and turned the rainbow a little bit, just to give it some interest so it wasn't straight. And then I copied and pasted the orange hearts and just scattered them all around like so. Now, to get the orange hearts separate from the rainbow right here, what you're going to do is come up to Object and Release Compound Path, and then you can see that all of these little hearts are separate. So then you can copy and paste them and put them wherever you like. So after you have it all set up the way you want it, you're going to come over here to the Send panel, and I like to do a cut by fill. You can do a simple cut, which just cuts out everything like you see here, or you can do a cut by fill color, which is what I usually do. And when you hit cut by fill, you have these check boxes here. So if I check the clear or the hatched box right here, that is the box that you drew. And then I can check this dark orange box right here. So what that means is that when you send your vinyl through the first time, the only thing that's going to cut is the cut box that you made and the dark orange, and then you can send it through again and you can cut the pink here. So whatever way you want to do it, however you want to set it up to cut, that is up to you. When you have it all set up and ready to cut, you're just going to come down here to this send button down here. Mine is not connected to my Silhouette right now, but you're going to come down to the send button and send it to your Silhouette. So now I am going to go over to my craft table and show you how to put this all together. So here I'm cutting out the light pink areas of my design. This is Oracle 651 permanent vinyl from Expressions Vinyl. And here I'm cutting out the orange portion of my design. This is holographic vinyl from Cricut. After After your design is done cutting, then you'll need to weed your design. I like to start in the upper left-hand corner. Just use a weeding hook and go slowly and make sure that all of your little pieces stick to the vinyl backing. I use scissors to cut away the excess vinyl as I go. And here's what the finished weeded file looks like. You're going to weed your pink vinyl in the exact same way, and then you're going to place a piece of transfer tape over that pink vinyl and remove the vinyl backing so you're left with just the vinyl on the transfer tape. Next, you're going to line up the pink vinyl with the holographic vinyl so you have both colors on one piece of transfer tape. This is going to make it super easy when we go to place this on our glass. Use your scraper tool to burnish the vinyl onto the piece of transfer tape. Then remove the vinyl backing so you're left with both colors on one piece of transfer tape. Next, we're going to place the design onto the glass. I'm holding my glass in place with 2 pencil cases. Center your design on the glass and then smooth each side around the glass. Take your scraper tool and burnish the vinyl onto the glass. Slowly remove the transfer tape and you're left with a fun glass wrapped in vinyl. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. You can find more tutorials on my blog at kellyleecreates.com. Thanks for watching.